The components required for this experiment are Node MCU board and Node MCU breakout board, or you can use a breadboard, soil moisture sensor, relay, battery and a water pump. Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Here enter the username and password and click sign in. Here we need to create a new thing. Click here and select thing. We can give a name for this thing. Click here, click rename and enter the name as Smart Irrigation. And click the rename button. Now we need to add 4 variables. Click this add button. The first variable is to get the moisture level. We can give the variable name as moisture level and select the variable type as integer. Here we no need to do any changes. Click the add variable button. And the next one is to get the state of the water pump. Click add again. Give the name as pump state. And this is a boolean variable type. And click select add variable button. Now the third one is for the manual pump control. Click add, enter the name as manual pump control. This is also a boolean variable type. Click add variable. Now the final one is to change the pump from the automatic to the manual mode. Click add and enter the name as manual mode. This is also a boolean variable. Click add variable button. Now we need to select the device. Click this select device button. Click setup device. Click third party device. We are using Node MCU ESP8266, which is selected by default, and select the model as Node MCU 1.0. Click continue. We can give any name. Click next. Select this checkbox and copy this secret key and click continue and then click done. Now we need to configure the network. Click the configure under this network menu. Here enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password and paste the secret key which we copied and click save. Now go back to this menu and select dashboards. Here click this dashboard button and create a new dashboard. We need to rename this dashboard name. Click here, click rename. Here also we can give the name as Smart Irrigation System. Click rename. We need to add 1 gauge and 3 switch widget. Click this add button. First add a gauge. This is for the moisture level. and link the variable. This is our thing, and link with the moisture level variable. Click link variable button and give the maximum value as 200. Click on the done button. Now add the other 3 switch widget. Add switch. So this is for the pump state. Click link variable. Click with the pump state variable. Click link variable button and click done. Now the third one, this is also a switch widget. This is for manual pump control. Click link variable and link with manual pump control variable and click done. Now the final one, which is to change the pump to the manual mode. Click link variable and link with the manual mode variable. Click done. Now go back to this menu, go to things, click this thing smart irrigation, go to sketch. Here the basic template is generated, so we need to add our logic. I have already wrote the program, I am just copy pasting the code. Let me explain the code. Here the soil moisture sensor pin is connected to AO. So here we are reading the moisture value and store that moisture value in this variable. So in case if it is working in the manual mode, so it will check this manual pump control button, and if the switch is on, the pump will turn on. If not, the pump will turn off. Else the other condition is, if the moisture level is less than a particular value, the pump will turn on. So if it is greater than that particular value, and the pump will turn off. Now connect the Node MCU board to the laptop. Here you can see the board is enabled. Now click this arrow button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Node MCU board. Let me explain how this will work. Initially, this smart irrigation system will work automatically. That is, if the moisture level is less than a particular value, the pump will turn on automatically. So if you want to turn the motor on and off manually, you need to click this button to manual mode. Then you can control the pump through this button. So if we off this button, it will again work based on this moisture level.